Welcome to Review Rumble. The best Keurig Carafe is probably one of the most essential accessories for any Keurig coffee maker owner who enjoys brewing larger batches, ensuring you can keep the delicious coffee flowing without constant refills, making it a must-have for busy mornings or when entertaining guests. And this 12-cup duo model is designed to seamlessly integrate with your existing setup, offering both convenience and capacity for your daily caffeine fix. Number 5. Keurig K-Duo Coffee Maker. Enjoy the flexibility to brew a single cup using K-cup pods or a full carafe of ground coffee. It's perfect for any occasion, whether you need a quick pick-me-up or are serving a crowd. Craving a bolder cup? Activate the strong brew feature for a more intense and satisfying single-serve coffee experience. It's the perfect way to kickstart your day. Customize your brew with multiple cup size options. You can choose from 6, 8, 10, or 12 ounces for a single cup, or brew a full 12-cup carafe to share. The generous 60-ounce water reservoir is shared for both single-serve and carafe brewing, simplifying your morning routine. Its removable design makes refilling a breeze. This coffee maker comes complete with a 12-cup glass carafe and a convenient heating plate. Keep your freshly brewed coffee warm and ready to enjoy for longer. Wake up to the aroma of freshly brewed coffee. You can program the carafe to automatically brew up to 24 hours in advance, ensuring your coffee is ready when you are. Need a cup before the brew is finished? The pause and pour feature automatically stops brewing for 20 seconds, allowing you to pour a cup from the carafe without any mess. What we like? This brewer offers incredible versatility, allowing you to brew a single cup or a full carafe. If you often find yourself needing both a quick morning coffee and a larger pot for guests, this is the perfect choice. Its programmable carafe feature means you can wake up to a fresh pot, simplifying your routine. What people say? This carafe is a perfect fit for the Keurig Duo. It holds 12 cups and is made of durable material. The lid design allows for easy pouring without spills. Number 4. Ninja 12-Cup Programmable Coffee Brewer. Enjoy your coffee just the way you like it. Choose between classic or rich brew strengths for a flavorful, never bitter cup every time. Whether it's your daily cup or your entertaining guests, this brewer handles it all. Brew small or large batches with the 12-cup carafe. Experience ultra-flavorful coffee thanks to advanced technology. It ensures even saturation and precise temperature control for a superior brew. Don't let a small craving mean diluted coffee. This feature ensures your small batches are just as flavorful as a full pot. Prepare your coffee up to a day in advance with the 24-hour programmable delay brew. Wake up to a hot, fresh pot ready for you. Your coffee stays fresh and flavorful for up to 4 hours. The adjustable warming plate keeps your brew at the perfect temperature. Filling the 60-ounce water reservoir is a breeze. Simply remove it and carry it to your sink for convenient refilling. What we like? Experience coffee tailored to your taste with its 2 distinct brew styles. If you're particular about your coffee's flavor profile and appreciate the ability to keep it at the perfect temperature for longer, this brewer is ideal. Its small batch function ensures even a single cup is brewed perfectly without dilution. What people say? The carafe fits perfectly and doesn't leak. It holds the full 12 cups and pours cleanly without dripping. The lid is easy to remove and replace, and the handle is comfortable to grip. Number 3. Cuisinart SS15P1 Coffee Maker. Introducing the Cuisinart SS15P1, a versatile coffee maker designed to meet all your brewing needs. Enjoy the flexibility of brewing single cups or a full carafe with this stylish stainless steel appliance. Customize your coffee experience with 3 single-serve sizes, 6, 8, or 10 ounces. It's compatible with most single-cup pods, and you can even use your own grounds with the reusable filter. This brewer features a large 40-ounce removable water reservoir, a charcoal water filter, and a removable drip tray for travel mugs. Plus, it includes an energy-saving mode to conserve power. When you need more, brew up to 12 cups with the included glass carafe. It boasts a stainless steel body and fully automatic features like a 24-hour brew start and self-clean function. Tailor your coffee to your preference. You can control the brew strength from light to strong and adjust the carafe water temperature. It also includes a charcoal water filter for pure taste. Make your mornings easier with an easy-view water window for simple filling. You can even grab a cup before the brew cycle is finished thanks to the convenient brew pause feature. It's also BPA-free. What we like? This machine truly offers the best of both worlds, catering to individual preferences and group needs. If you enjoy customizing your single-serve coffee with multiple size options and brew strengths, while also having the capacity for a 12-cup carafe, this is a fantastic option. It's perfect for households with diverse coffee preferences. What people say. The carafe fits my Keurig Duo perfectly, just like the original. It holds 12 cups and pours without dripping, which is a great improvement over my old carafe. Number 2. Ninja DualBrew Pro Specialty Coffee System. Start your day faster with this innovative coffee maker. It brews your favorite pod faster than other leading brands, ensuring optimal flavor even on busy mornings. Enjoy ultimate flavor with grounds or ultimate convenience with pods. This versatile machine brews your perfect cup, fitting seamlessly into your kitchen. From a single cup to a full carafe, it offers 13 different brew sizes. Customize your coffee exactly how you like it, every single time. Explore a world of coffee possibilities. Choose from classic, rich, over ice, or specialty brews for grounds or pods. You can even brew hot or iced tea. Elevate your coffee experience. Brew a rich concentrate perfect for crafting delicious lattes, cappuccinos, and other coffeehouse-style beverages right at home. Enjoy pure flavor with a dedicated hot water system. It's perfect for making instant soups, oatmeal, or hot cocoa without any cross-contamination. What we like? Elevate your coffee experience with the ability to create coffeehouse-style drinks right at home. If you love lattes, macchiatos, or cappuccinos, and appreciate the convenience of an independent hot water system for tea or instant beverages, this is the ultimate machine. Its wide range of brew sizes and styles makes it incredibly versatile. What people say. The carafe fits perfectly and doesn't leak. It holds the full 12 cups and pours cleanly without dripping. The lid is easy to remove and replace, and the handle is comfortable to grip. Number 1. 12-cup glass coffee pot replacement for Keurig K Duo. Ensure your coffee maker is always ready for your next brew. This replacement carafe is designed to perfectly fit your Keurig K Duo Essentials and G2 models. Enjoy ample coffee for everyone with its generous 12-cup capacity. It's ideal for busy mornings or when you have guests over. Crafted from high-quality borosilicate glass, it offers excellent heat resistance and lasting clarity. The comfortable black handle ensures a secure grip. Keeping it clean is a breeze. This carafe is designed for easy hand washing and is also dishwasher safe for your convenience. Your health is important. This replacement is made from BPA-free materials, ensuring your coffee is brewed safely and without harmful toxins. Please note, this carafe is specifically designed for Keurig K Duo Essentials and G2 models, K5000, K5500, K5600. It is not compatible with the K Duo 5100 model. What we like? This is the perfect solution if you're looking to replace your existing carafe for a specific Keurig model. Made from durable, heat-resistant borosilicate glass with a comfortable handle, it ensures your coffee stays hot and tastes great. If you own a compatible K Duo model and need a reliable, easy-to-clean carafe, this is the one to get. What people say. This carafe fits my Keurig Duo perfectly and doesn't leak. The lid design is great, it opens easily and seals well. It holds a full 12 cups and pours without dripping. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.